Hello, homestay operators. Let's dive right in. I will explain how I plan to beautify the bathroom in my homestay. First, I need to gather the necessary cleaners and supplies. Wait, you should wear gloves to protect your hands. It's good for your health and safety. First, apply the toilet bowl cleaner and leave it for some time. In the meantime, let's go clean the cobwebs. Remove cobwebs and thoroughly scrub and clean the walls and all surfaces. Now, let's move on to cleaning the toilet bowl. Inside the toilet bowl, scrub thoroughly in circular motions from top to bottom. Focus especially on the bottom part to remove stains effectively. Clean the outside and underside of the toilet bowl, as well as the seat and lid to remove any cleaners used. Remember, the seat and lid are made of plastic, so use appropriate cleaners. Oh, I didn't think anything else would have to rub the bidet shower like this. Next, I apply glass cleaner and scrub the mirror thoroughly to remove dust and stains. Also, I clean the sink, both inside and outside, ensuring it is thoroughly cleaned. Look at how everything now has a beautiful glow, doesn't it? We clean the shower, towel bar, toilet paper rack, and especially the flush button and faucet of the toilet with a sponge like this. Look how shiny they are because I've cleaned them with cleaners. Lots of people forget to clean the floor drain. Hair gets stuck, and soap builds up over time, which can make things stink. So, make sure you give it a good clean regularly. After completing all that, use a wiper to remove any remaining water from the floor and mop it thoroughly. Also, make sure to wipe away any water droplets left in places like toilets and sinks. Then, I arrange new towels, toilet paper, soaps, shampoos, conditioners, and body washes neatly in their respective containers. I also placed a comb, toothbrush, and razor that I might need. I've placed a dustbin in the bathroom to dispose of items as I clean. Once everything is finished, I take out the garbage bag and replace it with a new one. Additionally, I use a sensor bin for sanitary napkins, which is convenient for me. Consider using one too if you can. This way, we can complete our tasks in an organized and tidy manner. I write all this in my notebook and do it beautifully every day. That way, I never forget anything. Just look at my bathroom, it's beautiful, isn't it? Thanks for having me.